Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding NIO stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also get your 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. Today NIO stock is up 5% and for the last 5 trading days has been up over 15%. NIO is back on the growth trajectory after falling from a high of 55 a month ago. NIO is slowly bouncing back and I think that growth will be accelerated next month. Hedge funds and large money managers usually invest with a focus on long-term horizon and aren't affected by short-lived dips. Because of the pandemic, we are now in a stock picker's market where fundamentals of a stock have more effect on the price than the overall direction of the market. NIO was in 35 hedge funds portfolios at the end of the third quarter of 2020. A total of 35 of the hedge funds were bullish on this stock, a change of 17% from the previous quarter. Among these funds, Renaissance Technologies held the most valuable stake in NIO, which was worth $295 million at the end of the third quarter. On the second spot was D. E. Shaw, which amassed $242 million worth of shares. In terms of the portfolio weights assigned to each position, Electron Capital Partners allocated the biggest weight to NIO, around 5% of its portfolio. Jericho Capital Asset Management is also relatively bullish on the stock with 4% of its equity portfolio to NIO. 2 Sigma Advisors, managed by John Overdeck and David Siegel, established the biggest position in NIO during the quarter. 2 Sigma Advisors had $122 million invested in the company at the end of the quarter. Leijong's Hill House Capital Management also made a $51 million investment in the stock during the quarter. Wall Street is extremely bullish on NIO stock and is a big player next to Tesla. With Tesla now in the S&P, I think the growth in the short term will be slowed, but in the long term Elon leadership will continue to set apart Tesla stock. With the change in the administration in the US, there will be a lot of progressive policies and subsidies that will push the EV market forward. Brian Deese, whose company BlackRock owns 53 million shares of NIO, will be the next administration top economic advisor. He also has a big personal stake in NIO and has a big financial incentive to ensure that economic policies favor EV companies and Chinese companies. Under the next administration, it could be possible that NIO will expand into the US. We know that NIO will be expanding into Copenhagen, Denmark with its already progressive policies. More of the world will be pushing these progressive policies and we can expect for massive adoption of EV technology. Electric vehicles work well, but the battery range, vehicle cost, and electric charging stations are the biggest issues right now. 5 to 10 years from now the EV industry will become more mature and charging stations will be far more accessible. NIO has a long way to grow, and with more progressive policies the growth will be accelerated globally. I think in the long term that NIO stock will continue to go up. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also get your 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.